Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to turn on or off the translation in the Airbnb application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look down below in the right corner and you will find there the profile option. Press on it. And here, if you scroll down a little bit, under the settings category, you will find the translation option. Press on it. And here you can see the singular option, which is translation. You can press to deactivate it or press once again to activate it. So it's up to you basically. In this way, the communication between you and the host will be automatically translated to English. Now, there are cases that where you might not need this, but generally speaking, especially if you are traveling abroad, this can be really helpful. So I would have this constantly activated, but it depends on your preference at the end of the day. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.